In this video, we will look at how we can verify the integrity of files by using hashes. So the essential idea is this. Whenever a distributor is distributing a package or a file, the distributor creates the hash of that file and puts it up on the website or over the internet. And whenever someone downloads the file, they can run the file through the appropriate hash function and verify that the hash that they get is exactly the same as what the distributor got. This can make sure that the file did not get corrupted or bugged in the process of distribution or in the process of download. So in this case, I'm trying to download and install the Anaconda package on my system, and I've already downloaded the Anaconda package for Linux. So if I see here, I've downloaded the Anaconda 3 2020-11 Linux version. Now I want to make sure that I have downloaded the correct file and this has not been corrupted. So I can run this file through a hash function and obtain its hash. So the hash function that I'll be using is SHA-256. The command for obtaining the hash in Linux is SHA-256. This is one of the most popular hash functions, sum, and then the file name. So this gives me the hash of the particular file. Now I need to verify this hash string with what the distributor has put up on his website to ensure the file integrity. So I will go to Google and search for Anaconda installer hashes. The file that I downloaded was for Python 3 64-bit Linux, and the version that I downloaded was Anaconda 3 2020-11 Linux 8.6. So the distributor has put up two hashes. One is the MD5 and the second is SHA-256, and I want to verify the SHA-256 string. So I can manually verify these two strings here. So I have verified that the string that I got here from the SHA-256 function is the same as the string that the distributor has put up on his website. This gives me the assurance that the file that I'm about to install is what the distributor intended it to be. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel to get more such useful information.